Severe weather season. As always, here in Colorado, hail is one of the biggest concerns.
It sure is. And you may remember that hailstorm last year that left nearly 100 concert goers at Red Rocks hurt. You see that hail in her hand right there. Let's get over to meteorologist Liz McGiffin, who joins us with how you can stay safe this season. Liz.
Well, thankfully, we weren't talking about hailstones quite as large as that Red Rocks event, but there were certainly some hailstones that were reported with those thunderstorms that rolled through yesterday. Alongside that, even a report of a tornado down to the south of the Akron area. Now, the largest hail report that I saw from this system, it was up toward the Holyoke area with 2-inch hail. You'll notice over toward Clarkville, 1.75-inch hail was reported, and even the Vernon area, while it takes an inch in diameter in order for the hail to become severe, you're reporting pretty close to that. Biggest advice that I have for you, whether we're talking lightning, strongest severe thunderstorms, or hail, is going to be when thunder roars, go indoors. Once you're inside, because of that thunderstorm, make sure that you are avoiding things like corded phones, electrical equipment, the plumbing, and avoiding both the doors and the windows. In fact, especially as storms become severe, whether we're talking about hail, severe thunderstorms, or tornadoes, the safest place is always going to be inside your home. And it's also the time of the year where you want to make sure, if you are planning on getting out and enjoying the nice spring and eventually summertime weather, that you're getting off the peak of the mountains for some of those hikes ahead of noon to avoid not just the hail, but other threats that come with thunderstorms like lightning. For the Pinpoint Weather Team, I'm meteorologist Liz McGiffin.